222, man, I want avoiding you. 222, I want avoiding you. 383 in East North Carolina said, I'm hearing you all in my receive, man. I was just trying to get another video gate rolling. 222. 383 Eastern North Carolina said, you all up in it, my friend. Bye, bye, bye. I'm out in the middle of the road and I'm gone.
Rocketman, Missouri, waving a hand one more time.
775, Rocketman. Man, good gracious, you just cleaned out my receiver. 775, you about blow the speaker slam out this little play school radio. 383 Eastern North Carolina said that and I'm gone.
775, old Rocketman over here in the show me. South Central Missouri on the Rocketman radio. I'm reading your mail.
775, I got it all on video. 775, I got that wideband audio all on video. 383, the polecat over here in this tobacco patch in North Carolina said, I got it all on video and it's live streaming on Facebook right now.
47, out there, live on the radio. 775, old Rocketman, the one and only over here in the South Central state of Missouri, over here in the Show Me Beautiful country. I'm back live. Right, man. Is on the air.
Go ahead, Lone Ranger in Wisconsin, 383 Eastern North Carolina, waving.
I would get on that Facebook. I don't even use computers, but I just want to wave my hand at you, man. You just wave. Hey, Swamp Rat. Old man Clown in the cornfield said you just took over my radio. Hey, Swamp Rat. Old man Clown waving.
Man, Clown, why you got shame on the mess? Man, Clown, shame on that rickety coat hanger and that rusty aluminum foil. Because, man, I don't know what's going on, but Mother Nature must think you the man tonight in the Carolinas, that's for sure. Mother Nature is making you the man tonight in Eastern North Carolina. Mad Clown. 383 Eastern North Carolina on this Play School Radio just got down. Well, Mad Clown, huh? There ain't no are you on the gate. At this point, you are the gate. I got it on that Channel 28 Good Time Gang Facebook group right now, rolling live. And you sure enough on that gate. Mad Clown, 383 East North Carolina is gone. Tell that screwdriver old man Clan say go find something to do. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Oh, I think he says screwdriver. Mad Clown with that rickety coat hanger and that rusty aluminum foil said for me to roll you a 5 and go find something to do. 383 East North Carolina just passing the traffic, and I'm gone.
Hey, 383. Hey, 383. That old screwdriver, he's a lifelong fixer, and I've been busting him in that nose. He don't like it. He's trying to get that red nose, but he can't. 383. Tell him man Clown said, be gone.
Lord have mercy, Screwdriver. Screwdriver, Mad Clown said, be gone. He said you need to put some tissue in that nose because it's got to be bleeding awfully bad. Screwdriver, that Mad Clown, he's over there clowning all right. He's got that old rickety coat hanger and that rusty aluminum foil smoking in the Carolinas. 383 East North Carolina is gone.
Hey, tell him man Clown said, don't try it.
Man, I think that was Screwdriver trying to come in, Mad Clown, but it didn't happen. I heard somebody key down and then you walked all over him. And I'm not lying. Like I said, I've got a live video gate rolling on CB28 Good Time Game group on Facebook right now. You can go see it. 383 said that, and I'm gone. Lord have mercy. Now I got a video gate full of somebody playing Jesus Loves Me. Lord, if you're scared, go to church. 383 Eastern North Carolina said that, and I'm gone. Man, Clown, I was hearing you, man, but I'm telling you, somebody was beating me to death with some Jesus Loves Me. Man, Clown, somebody was beating me to death with Jesus Loves Me. Where'd that Screwdriver at? Go ahead and let that man get on the key, get on this video. Hey, Man Clown, shame on the mess. Let Screwdriver talk a little bit. Just sell him some airtime or something. Come on.
Go on, Screwdriver. Come on, I'm going to let you go. Hey, man, Screwdriver rolling down the highway. Hey,
Well, Screwdriver, you rolling down that highway, and I can tell you what, you doing it, my friend. I got a meter full of you. Yeah, Screwdriver, you signing choice in the Carolinas, no doubt about that. I wouldn't lie to you. I tell you straight up, it's sounding good in my neighborhood. 383 Eastern North Carolina just got down. Lord have mercy, it's a mess in Illinois for sure. Because 222 just cleaned it up. 222 just said it all. And he's on that video gate too. I ain't trying to be stingy. I'm just trying to let some people get on that group, get on that Facebook group and show out. Polecat in the tobacco patch said that, and I'm gone.
Good Time channel. Hello, everybody, on channel 20, all my brothers and sisters. Old 222 up here in Illinois. Wishing everybody a good Father's Day and a safe trip to Mansion. Old 222 here in Illinois.
Hey, 222, I was just going to let you know that that live feed I've got is rolling in the CB28 Good Time Gangs Facebook group right now. 222, Mad Clown, Screwdriver, any of y'all check it out. If you're on there, tag yourself in it, my friends. I'm going to slide wide to the side and let this glass cool down just a little bit, and then I'm going to show out some more. 383 Eastern North Carolina.